Isang mapagpalayang araw po sa pagpapatuloy po ng ating talakayan sa Rule 113. Ang tatalakayan naman po natin ngayon ay yung nilalaman po ng Section 8. Method of arrest by officer without a warrant. No, yung nakaraang video po, method of arrest by officer by virtue of a warrant. Ito naman po, method of arrest by officer without a warrant. Okay po? So, paano ba mag-aaresto yung arresting officer o yung isang law enforcement unit o officer nang walang warrant? Okay, sabi po rito, when making an arrest without a warrant, the officer shall inform the person to be arrested of his authority and the cause of the arrest, unless the latter is either engaged in the commission of an offense, no, is pursued immediately after its commission, has escaped, flees, or forcibly resists before the officer has opportunity to so inform him, or when the giving of such information will imperil the arrest. Okay, so maliwanag po, no? So, sinasabi po rito, kung aarestuin po yung isang tao at walang warrant of arrest dahil nga ito ay caught in the act, no? Pasok dun sa sinabi sa Section 5, yung condition ng warrantless arrest. No? Ano sabi rito? Dapat, kung yung arresting officer na yan, no, ay dapat sasabihin niya yung kanyang authority, no? Yung kanyang katungkulan, otoridad kung bakit niya inaaresto yung isang tao, no? Anong dahilan? Okay? So dapat po maliwanag po yan na inilalahad ng isang arresting officer. Anong authority? Sino-sino siya? Anong unit siya? Bakit inaaresto yung tao? Anong dahilan? Okay? So, pero may pasubali na naman po na binibigay ang batas. Anong po sabi? Unless the latter is either engaged in the commission of an offense. No? So, ibig sabihin, actual na nangyayari. So, kailangan pigilan agad eh. Di ba? So, hindi mo naman pwedeng agad-agad basahan ng karapatan yan. Di ba? Unless the latter is either engaged in the commission of an offense, is pursued immediately after his commission. Ito po yung tinatawag na hot pursuit. Di ba? Is pursued immediately after its commission, di ba? Gumawa ng krimen, nakita nung arresting officer, nung law enforcement officer, di ba? So, kung kayang basahan, kung hindi, tatakas, so dapat po, yun po yung isa ron sa pasubali. Di ba? Okay? So, is either engaged in the commission of offense, is pursued immediately after its commission, or has escaped, flees, or forcibly resist the person, no? Making the arrest has opportunity to so inform him. Diba? So, tumatakas. Pagkagawa ng krimen, sa halip na babasahan mo, diba? Tumakas. So, nasa hot pursuit ka. Okay po? At kung halimbawa, kung sasabihin mo yon, will imperil the arrest. No? Kung tingin mo, pagka binasahan mo siya ng ganong karapatan, hindi mo siya maaresto, much better po na arestuhin mo muna. Okay? At later on, siyempre, isuko natin doon sa istasyon or sa, kung kailangan, sa kulungan. Di ba? So, yan. At dumaan sa tamang proseso. Okay po. So, yan po yung method of arrest by officer without a warrant. Okay po. So, muli, maraming salamat po. Stay safe, be alert, and be aware.